Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone, whoever watching this video. My name is Juliandro Frederick Mateo Lumual, and I'm from the English Department Unpati. And right now, I'm gonna do an error analysis about the writings in the picture on the left. It's basically a writing that my friend or all of us in the classroom have to do to describe a table above on the left, top left of the picture. So in here I'm gonna examine, or I'm gonna do some error analysis about what my friend have written right on the picture on the left. So I already put it in the digital words, but I uh, put it purely, not I didn't fix anything. So based on it, I put this. I also already do the analysis to show and point out the error that I found based on what I read from my friend's writings. So he write the table above contained number of brands handphone users. The number was classified to become two parts, that is female and male. From data above, described that the user FIFO get the highest point, but the others is equal and minus. User iPhone get 1 point, user Oppo get 2 point, user Samsung get 4 point, user Xiaomi get 1 point, Realme get 3 point, and Redmi get 1 point. From data above also show that female is more higher than male, so that the number of brands handphone users is dominated by female. So in this, I already pointed out the error that I found. So uh, inside the circle, it's the error of the first letter. So uh, every first letter on a paragraph should be a capital letter. But this, he didn't use any capital letter on the first letter of in any paragraph. And also the underline on the first sentence, I think uh, the comma is unnecessary to put between above and contain, because we can read it without commas. For example, the table above contained number of brands handphone users. And in the second one, I think uh, he should put a comma. So from data above, describe that the user people get the highest point, but the others is equal and minus. And on the first sentence, on the last paragraph, he also need to put comma. And on the second one, between that and the uh, in the same sentence, he shouldn't put a comma between that and the, because he already put comma between male and so. But male is a conjunction, so comma is are only or can only put between uh, the previous sentence and a conjunction. And also uh, for the underlined one, the last one, uh, maybe didn't I put it wrong, but it's based on the point, or maybe an arrows that I put in this passage. So I put an arrow in the word that is pronounced or typed wrong. For example, classified, it should be classified. And also female, there is several female word in here that has been have been uh, right or written wrong. For example, female, it should be female, not female. It should be F-E-M-A-L, not F-A-M-E-L. And also descripted, it shouldn't be descripted, but it should be described. And also heights, it shouldn't be heights but highest. And equal, it shouldn't use I in the front, but should use E. So it's equal, EQUAL, not IQUAL. And also than. So for the comparison, we couldn't use the word than, but than use a, THANN, not THEN. And also for, of course, the last one that I underline is FAML. So after I examine or I see the error, I uh, write it based on my thoughts, or I corrected it so it becomes like this. So the table above contains the data of the numbers of handphone users it based on several brands and classified in two parts, which is female and male. Based on the data, the FIFO brand get the highest point of users compared to others that have equal or less. Users of iPhone get 1 point, Oppo get 2 points, Samsung get 4 points, Xiaomi get 1 point, Realme get 3 points, and Redmi get 1 point. It also shows that number of female are higher than male. So the number of handphone users is dominated by female. And also on the third paragraph, on the previous or on my friend's writing result, he didn't. I don't know if I'm wrong or not, but from what I remember, there are things called parallel. So in here, he didn't use a parallel because when he reach or when he write the Xiaomi, he used a number, but it doesn't in a form of letter, but it's on the form of number. So he used one as a number, but the rest is in the form of letters. So that is maybe the correction that I can put. So that's it about the error analysis that I can do for, but maybe I didn't really good enough at examine things, especially in grammar, but I gonna become better in the future. Thank you so much.